Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fuzzboo. So the last video I showed you how to build this tunnel so that you keep the car on track as it's going down the ramp, which becomes more of a problem as your ramp gets taller. So check out that video if you want to see how this tunnel was built. But the problem with this tunnel is it's kind of flimsy because there's really nothing to support it. So I'm going to show you today how to do this, how to build a support for this tunnel to make it a little stronger. So what we do, and I'll show you on this side, you can do the same thing on the other side. What you're going to do is you're going to build a brace on the bottom part. So 2 pieces on the bottom. You can take one of these triangles and then you're going to put squares, right? That's the base of your support. So your support is going to be on this top section. So build it like that. Cover it. And now this support is done on this side. So you can just do this on the other side. And that's it. Now you'll notice that this is a lot less flimsy because it has something to support onto and it keeps that rigid. So you take a car, you can run it down the ramp, that doesn't affect it at all. Ramp works perfectly, tunnel keeps the car straight, and the supports keep the tunnel pretty firm. So let me do a walk around so you can see what it looks like on this side. So this is the support on this side. You see it's just blocked off, give it rigidity. And this is the support on the other side. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please click like. If you want to see more cool stuff, click subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.